Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Destin, Florida, is a beautiful coastal city located in the Florida Panhandle, known for its stunning white sandy beaches and emerald green waters. The city's modern history began with Captain Leonard Destin, a fisherman from New London, Connecticut, who settled in the area between 1845 and 1850. He pioneered the local fishing industry, and Destin has maintained this heritage, earning the nickname, the world's luckiest fishing village. Today, it boasts Florida's largest fishing vessel fleet. Destin is situated on a peninsula separating the Gulf of Mexico from Choctawhatchee Bay. This peninsula was originally a barrier island that gradually connected to the mainland due to hurricanes and sea level changes. The city's beaches are renowned for their sugar-white sand, composed of finely ground quartz crystals that originated from the Appalachian Mountains. These particles were carried by rivers into the Gulf of Mexico, creating the pristine shores we see today. Destin has grown from a small fishing village into a major tourist destination, attracting visitors with its natural beauty, rich history, and abundant recreational opportunities. Whether you're interested in fishing, exploring the harbor, or simply relaxing on the beach, Destin offers a unique and memorable experience along Florida's Emerald Coast.
Thanks for watching!